What's going on out there, good people? It is your boy Look Around with LMD Trading, and we are back. We are back with another daily trade review. Been away for a couple of days, but we have not been away from trading. Actually took a red day on Friday, and we are back today on Monday with a green day. Wasn't able to get the trade review done Friday. Had some personal obligations I needed to take care of over the weekend, and wasn't able to sit down and get that video recorded. But we're going to do a very quick recap today. I don't have much time to be sitting here, unfortunately. And you see, I did make a couple of changes to my layout here on OBS. The new version of OBS came out, so I did download that and downloaded a couple of new little features. So as the title says, going backwards to go forward. I say that because today we reverted back to a $50 risk from the $75. Friday, got a little careless trading Friday and took a red day and took a little bigger red day than I would have liked. So took that risk back to $50. And as it would turn out, today we took two trades. Both trades were green trades for a $50 risk. It's crazy. And I know you see BMY, you see it scrolling across right there, say that we made 75 off of it. That was actually, what is that, 0.75R? Guess this point, no, 1.5. What are you doing, dude? Risking 50, so we made 50 plus a half of a 50, so 1.25. Shop, we made 27. And we're going to review these straight from TRADERVUE today. I did record. I recorded on my laptop, and I don't have enough time to dump it onto my jump drive, load it into my computer that I'm sitting at right now. So we're going to do this straight from TRADERVUE. And before we look at today's, which is right here, made $102 today trading two stocks. Come over here and we can look at these red days, man. These red days have been just killer. And I'm gonna go and bring up Fridays real quick, just so you can look at that, man. Look at that. We lost $170 on Friday. Careless. Look at these first two. Careless. So I had to reduce my risk level. Had to. Look at these small losses. Small wins compared to huge losses, man. Just sloppy trading. Just sloppy trading all around. A couple of these, we actually were sized in a little more than we should have, and we paid the cost for it. Some of it intentionally. So, got to go back to basics. Got to go back to what is keeping me in this crazy market right now. And it's not trading careless. That is not what is keeping me around. So, like I said, got to go backwards to go forward sometimes. And we're going to take a step back. We're going to reduce our risk, especially in this, I guess you can call it volatile, but I don't even know if it's a volatile market. I'm going to just call it a non-follow-through market, because you'll get moves that look good and then they just tank. And sometimes you just take a bad trade. Let's do that. Let's look at the first trade that we took. Let's look at this first one. on the 5. But look at this. It's not, that's on the 5. Let's look at the 2. 2 is ugly. You got these topping tails. So yeah, definitely buying into those topping tails, even though we got a bottoming tail right there. Yeah, that's ugly. But look at what it did after we stopped out. It's ugly. Let's take a peek at one more. Which one do we want to do? Let's do KR. And then we'll look at one of the green ones. Another one. Just buying. And then how are you even... What the heck? Buying a 5-minute high with the stop in the middle? Come on. Look at this thing. It worked. It literally worked. It literally worked. Look at the 10-minute. Look at the 10. Come on, dude. So on the 2-minute, we buying as it's going down. But where is the stop? Where's the stop at? Why isn't the stop down here? Why isn't the stop at the low of the day? If you put the stop at the low of the day, this thing hits target. So how are you losing $100? That's sloppy trading. That's horrible trading. That is horrible trading. And I hadn't looked at none of these. Like I said, after Friday, I didn't even want to think about trading. I didn't even want to think about trading. Decent, but late entry. Trying to get in off the break of this. Stop is going to be down here. Nice. Decent trade. Look at that. $5 away from target if we was risking $75. Made $95. So that's what we were doing on Friday. Just ugly. So the weekend, I didn't even think about trading. Tried to just relax my mind and say, okay, let's come into this thing fresh on Monday. Actually, wrong. I'm gonna actually tell y'all what my thought was. And it's still there. It's still there because it's something that I really want to do. I actually want to step away from my main account, liquidate it because the market is just kind of ugly right now, and pay my house off. The funds that I have in my main account will actually pay my house off. And that's Friday. I was like, let me use this money and pay my house off. That was my thought. I was just like, but that's still a thought. Still a thought. And I have a couple other accounts that I can trade out of if I did do that. But I still need to sleep on that. I still need to sleep on that. But let's take a look at these two trades from Monday. I got right at 10 minutes to get these done. So let's take a peek at them. But I woke up this morning thinking, let's make sure you're taking good trades and don't do nothing stupid. Make sure you look at your share size sheet. Don't be just thinking, okay, stop size is this, I need this many shares. Nah. Check and make sure, because we did do that a few times on Friday, taking more shares than we were supposed to. So this was our first trade of the day, BMY. Saw this one moving down. Kind of missed this entry right there. That was the entry. Stop up here, and we see it never did. It never would have come up and hit us. And this thing just made this nice move. We got out of this with 2-minute bar by bar. So that's why we stopped out right there. And let's look and see what our max unrealized was. Risking 50 bucks. We were $4 away from max. We was $4 away from our target. Wouldn't have gotten out at target, I'm gonna be honest, because we were trading bar by bar. And then it went against us 32 bucks. Those were on some of those on that initial pullback. But good solid trade there. Good solid trade there. And look at where we got out at. Good exit, because it did eventually pull back up. And I don't think this ever went back down in this area. We come over here to the 30 and we see that end of the day it did. So this would have hit target back over here somewhere. But good solid trade. And then we traded shop. Missed a good entry on shop, but still somewhat worked out. And again, looking at these charts here don't give you the full picture. That's why I like reviewing them in THINKORSWIM. Even if we're not going to watch the video, it's still kind of good to look at them in THINKORSWIM, because THINKORSWIM is going to show you where I have my price action lines. It's going to show you previous high of day, previous low of day, and things of that sort. So previous high of day was right around here, right where it broke this area at. We were getting in as it was breaking the area, and we gave this a super wide stop. Super wide stop. And as you can see, good exit again, trading 2-minute bar by bar. So this made this good move, and then it came all the way back down, stopped us out, act like it was going to continue to go, and rolled over. So good exit, good exit. And this one we were up about an R. Yep, we were up 58 bucks. It's only went against us 5 bucks, and we made a half R. But I'm good with that, because I got to get my feet back up under me. I got to remember, like as Nipsey says, this is a marathon, not a sprint. This is a marathon, not a sprint. I need to be taking my time. I need to be looking for solid entries. And I need to look at the playbook and go all the way through it. If the playbook says, make sure you're getting the right share size. Don't assume. Some of them easy. $1? No, that's 50 shares with a $50 risk. 50 cents? I know that's 200 shares. Or is it? That's why I need to look at that doggone sheet when I'm trading. But that is what I took from today, you all. And with that, we gonna wrap it up. We are gonna wrap it up. I appreciate y'all checking me out. If you would, please hit that like. If you're so inclined, please drop a comment down there. And if you are not already subscribed, please think about subscribing. We are in this thing for the long haul. We are in this thing for the long haul, even though this thing can be very frustrating. Man, can it be very frustrating. But we're going to continue to do good things over here at LMD Trading. And I appreciate y'all checking me out. Now, let me go ahead and get off this thing and get some work done. Peace.